Hello, my name is Adrienne and I'm at Fusion Fairfield. I want to start off with a little background. I'm from Saratoga Springs, New York. I did my undergraduate work at UC Santa Cruz, where I majored in geology with a focus on ultra-high pressure metamorphism. I did my graduate studies at Cornell, where I focused on petrology and geodynamics. After graduating from Cornell, I worked in the field of civil engineering, but I found that it just wasn't for me. So I went back to school and I got a Master of Arts in Adolescent Education, and I'm currently qualified to teach New York State Regents Earth Science. I've graded Regents exams over the summer and in various capacities. I've taught at public school, but here's a fun fact. I also taught science in the great outdoors to homeschoolers. I love writing lessons, and here are some examples of lessons that I've written. When I was teaching to homeschoolers, I did a project where I had the high school students walk up a hill, measuring the angle that they walked and the distance that they traveled, and then I had them use that information to calculate the height of the hill. It's finals time here at Fusion Fairfield, and I've written a couple fun finals this year, one of which is having a student do a presentation that's for other students to tell them what to expect from the Honors Physics B course. A little bit about me. I am a morning person. I love the peace and stillness of the morning. I work best in a clean room with a nice cup of coffee. And I love feedback, coaching, and honest communication. All of those things really mean a lot to me. You may be asking yourself, why should we pick Adrienne for the Standards Alignment Project? Well, I feel that it is important to all teachers to have clear guidelines which can be used to help scaffold and direct our unique lessons. I'm also very detail-oriented. And finally, I just wanted to put it out there, I will be taking vacation from July 5th through July 9th. So thank you for watching my video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.